Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you friends how to buy a domain name in Sedo platform. All you have to do, go to Google, search for Sedo. This is the keyword. Click this one first website here. You will redirect it to this page. This is official page. Go to buying and click domain search. In this search bar, you will see this icon. Choose your filter, your domain, length, and special characters. For example, this one. Just click make offer if you want to make an offer in this domain, and then choose your price you want to set up, for example, this one, and then continue. From this continue option, you will redirect it to this page. Just log in your account with your own information, such user and password. And this is how you can do. Click send and click send offer. When you click send offer, you will accept it. As you can see, my offer was sent successfully. If you accepted this offer from the seller, you can complete your process via payments, Visa or credit card. You can use also the search bar. From this search bar keyword, you can buy directly this domain. Click buy now. This is for make offer, and this is buy now. When you click buy now, you will see checkout page. From this checkout page, click pay this option with credit card and these details. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.